Gusto mo yun muna?
What song? Request kay Anna and Julian.
So, ito. Saan? Saan?
So ayan, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa mga food ninyo. Huwag kayong mag-alala dahil isa-isa natin kayong babalikan right away after this, no? Bago yon, syempre, birthday ni Ma'am Elsie. Okay. Ni Ma'am Elsie, no? Hindi mawawala ang mga hindi mawawala ang mga nais magbigay ng message sa kanya from their hearts. Syempre, pwede natin itong simulan from the bunso. Sino ba yung bunso ni Ma'am Elsie? Palakpakan naman natin si Mariel!
Go, Mariel! Asa yung si Mami?
Asa na? Huwag siya lang mag-watch.
Okay. So, syempre, bigyan natin ng message ang napakagandang celebrant natin ngayon na si Ma'am Elsie. Ayan. Kala ko magkapatid lang kayo actually. Hindi, joke lang. Ayan, Mariel.
Hi po. Hi, Mom. Hi.
Anyway,
Mom. Ano po? Okay. Mom. Ano po? It's your
Yan louder, please.
62nd birthday.
Akala ko 50 pala.
I mean, no. 26. I'm sorry, 26th birthday.
Yan lang.
Ano po? What I want to say is, thank you for raising me and being there every day, every shortcoming and every challenge. Even if you're annoying. Yes, even if I'm annoying. Thank you po for raising me to be bright and smarter. Thank you po for raising me and myself. Love you.
Yay!
Attention, everyone. Dito kayo sa akin lahat. Mami, I love you. Thank you sa pagpapalaki sa amin. Thank you, ma, kasi
happy 62nd birthday. Thank you, ma, sa pagmamahal, sa pagsuporta sa amin.
Namumula ka na, Iya.
Sa pag-aalaga. Thank you, ma. Enjoy your day, ma. Love you.
Mami, thank you for introducing me to guys.
Christian! Christian! Saan ka nag-church?
Diko!
Hello, good evening sa inyong lahat. Yung message ko, short lang. Simula na wala daddy ko, mahirap talaga. So, mahirap maging mommy alone, and mahirap din maging daddy ng sabay. So, ayun lang. Thank you, mommy. I love you.
Ellis! Together with my husband. Masyado siyang blessed. Ako yung nag-asawa niya. Paano yung mag-flex? Maswerte siya na pangasawa niya ako. Pero hindi yun yung topic ngayon. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you really for showing up. Kasi, Mommy never got the chance to celebrate her 60th birthday. Kasi, we were in tough times then. I will not be the wife that I am today if not for Mommy. Pero seryoso, I grew up seeing what kind of a person she is and what kind of wife she is to daddy. So, lahat ng alam ko bilang asawa, I got it from her. And I just can't imagine how hard it is to wake up every day. A alone. I can't imagine how hard it is to wake up every day na wala si daddy. But we all, but not alone of course. Alam mo naman Christian naman tayo dito. But not alone. No matter how much we try to fill that gap, we will never be enough. Kasi it's only daddy that can fill that gap. But I thank her because we draw strength from her. She disciplines us, she loves us, she's taking the role of a mommy and a daddy. Hindi ko alam, of course she's drawing her strength from God, pero I just admire how she is as a woman, how she is as a mother, and who she was as a wife. So, until the day that I die, I will always wish that I will be half as good as her, kahit kalahati na lang. Kasi I can never amount to the kind of person that she is. Kasi yung example na ibinigay niya sa amin sa lahat ng magkakapatid, ano yun, sobra-sobra, to last more than a lifetime. So, Mommy, thank you for being so strong, for carrying all of us. Ang bigat namin. But she did. So, thank you, Mommy. We will always try to make you not feel lonely every day. We will always be here for you. Mag-aagawan kami kung kanino po kayo sasama, kung kaninong sasakyan ka sasakay, because that's how much we love you. And if Daddy would be here, dalawa kayong mag-aagawan namin. So thank you, Mommy, for setting a good example to all of us. I love you very, very much. At saka yung pinaka-blessed na lalaki sa buong mundo.
Mom, Elsie, thank you so much for everything that you do for us, for the family every day. You have such a lovely family. They admire you. Wouldn't it be for your love, for all the things that you do? How would they turn out that great, that awesome? How, you know, that's all you and Dad that formed them that way. But it's not about them today. It's about you. It's about you. About your birthday, and today we're celebrating you. We're celebrating your life. In Jesus' name. Thank you so much. Love you.
Kuya sila.
Kuya Sheila and Noah.
No, he said Kuya, Sheila, and Noah. Okay, let's start with Noah.
Thank you, Lala, for being the best Lala. Love you. Happy birthday.
Ayan.
Happy birthday, Lala. Mommy, thank you for everything, Mommy. Thank you for accepting me as your another daughter. Thank you, Mommy. I love you so much. We will always be here for you. We will always be here for you. Thank you.
Love you, Mommy. Naniniwala ako na yung pag-ibig ay hindi nababawasan. Ito ay namumultiply. Naniniwala ako na yung pag-ibig na natatanggap mo since Daddy passed away ay nadoble. And naniniwala ako na araw-araw mas tumataas pa yun, lumalaki pa yun, at hindi yun nababawasan. Thank you for being an inspiration to us. Thank you for being the foundation. Thank you for being the structure. Thank you for being the ceiling.
The renovation.
The renovation. Thank you for being rejuvenated. Ayun, that's it. Thank you for being the center. Thank you for being the thing that makes us keep on being happy. Maraming salamat, Mami, kasi you make everything easier sa mga buhay namin. Yun lang. Love you.
Ano pa? Lalo ba si Jollibee?
Nasa si Jollibee! Nasa si Grimace! Si Grimace! Nasaan si Grimace? Eman, si Grimace nasaan?
Okay na.
Alam niyo na yun, surprise na nga yung birthday.
Isa ba yun? Sige po. Ma'am, since ayoko pong maiyak kayo, no? Kaya tatawagin ko na siya. Yung limelight natin ngayong gabi. Sino ba yan? Tawagin na nga natin ang best friend ng McDonald's. Let's all give it up for... Let's all give it up for Grimace! Oh, Grimace! Di mo kasi sinunod yung New Year's resolution.
Be nice ha. Kids, be nice to Grimace ha.
Okay.
Lalo, ba't na?
Okay. Since nandito na ang limelight ng gabi, de joke lang. Si Ma'am Elsie pati yung limelight, nakikisapaw lang po si Grimace. Bago yon, bigyan natin ng space si Grimace kasi may inihanda po siya sa inyong interpretation number. Ma'am Elsie. Ayan. Grimace, pep talk tayo. Ready ka na ba sa practice natin? For Ma'am Elsie, ready na ba? Kung ready ka na, ipakita mo kung sino ka. Ladies and gentlemen, palakpakan naman natin si Grimace! Ang makikipag-dance battle daw with Grimace may 1,000 Gcash! May 5K kay Ma'am Elsie yung makikipag sa'yo eh. O, sino? May 5K from Ma'am Sheila! Lower the Grimace! Wala! Oh, last call! Ma'am Elise, kanino ba yung 3K natin? 3K daw! Ang makikipagsayaw with Grimace! Noah, 5K yan! Grimace, more energy ha! Okay, so palakpakan naman natin si Grimace, everyone! Ayan. So while Grimace is still here, parang gusto kong anyayahan ulit na i-blow na ni Ma'am Elise ang kanyang candle. Ay, sorry, Elsie! Kasi naman eh, yung pangalan ninyo eh. Hindi, joke lang. Ma'am Elsie, feeling ko matutupad yung wish nyo pagkasama si Grimace. Pero syempre, gusto ko ilabas ninyo ang yung warmest voice para kay Ma'am Elsie. Warmest happy birthday song, okay?
Thumbs up, point commentation.
Okay, so pwede ba tayo sabay-sabay? Kantahan si Ma'am Elsie ng Happy Happy Birthday with Grimace.
Great miss.
So, once again, sabay-sabay po tayong kakanta ng happy birthday for Ma'am Elsie.
Si Ian na, pupuntahin na dito. Yung mga anak dito kayo.
So, dito po, yung mga anak ni Ma'am Elsie.
Oh, yung apo, yung kaisa-isang apo.
Oh, yung apo.
Pangalan ng kapatid ko,
Iisa-isahin pa ba yan? Oh.
Grimace!
Okay, sabay-sabay tayo once again, everyone. Bring them your warmest happy birthday song for Ma'am Elsie.
Bababa kayo dito. Hindi kami makita. Bababa kayo.
Ang saya niyo naman!
Make a wish and blow your candle, Ma'am Elsie.
Make a wish.
Wish!
Make a wish daw, hindi iyak.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Ma'am Elsie. Happy birthday! Of course, may regalo sa'yo si... Ay! May regalo sa'yo si Grimace. Grimace, bigyan mo nga ng gift si Ma'am.
Uy, mahal yan.
To wipe your tears. Yes!
Naiiyak si Grimace. Kasi nakahubad.
Nawala.
Again, isang happiest birthday from Ma'am Elsie. So, bigyan naman natin ng picture ang family bago ang ibang mga table, okay?
Kasi magpa-picture sa inyo. Send nyo na lang sa amin. Hindi kami cellphone.
Grabe! Ano wala ng mga cellphone yung mga Gen Z ah?
Hindi, wala kaming camera eh.
Sige.
Ano, tama ni kain.
Yan. Smile. So, pa-share it na lang po. Sir. Thanks the camera. 1, 2, 3. Waki! Oh, jump shot naman po. Jump shot.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Okay, mga katyunigig, pamigay natin yung cake. Yung mga bisita, di nakakatikim eh.
Okay, so, well, syempre, habang nandito si Grimace, pwede tayong makipagpa-picture with Grimace. No? So, sa mga may camera po, pakihanda natin. Pero bago yun, syempre, pakinggan naman natin ang ating birthday celebrant, si Ma'am Elsie. Ma'am, you have a few words po para sa ating mga bisita. It's your birthday.
Papa, di mo.
Ano po? Many po. Ayan.
Thank you sa inyong lahat. Sobrang na-surprise ako. Salamat. At paano mag-spend kayo ng time papunta dito. It means for me na love you ako. Thank you. I love you also. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Elsie. Parang ako na din yung maluluha sa inyo. No? So, cake cutting and then sa mga makikipag-picture po with Grimace. Habang nandito si Grimace, ang napaka-cute, napakalaki, no? Let's have a picture.
Ayun na ulit.
Kuha kayong cake.
Grabe, ma'am, parang mayola lang ha. May pamaypay.
I'm sorry. Okay lang, yung iba na lang. Leslie!
Tayo po.
Let's all come up front now.
Zaki! Zaki!
Hey, thank you, Tito.
Sige, no, 3. 1, 2. Huwag mo higa. 1, 2. Wait lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Ano ka? Dali, high five ka. Isa pa, solo. Okay ka na, dali. I love you. Dali, yan. Okay. Hah? Not really. Oh yeah. He's at Japan right now. Wow. See ya. No, I see a flower.
Again, to those na magpapapicture kay Grimace, we can now all come up front, no? Dahil may next birthday party pa daw si Grimace na atinan. Kaya, once again, sa mga magpapapicture po with Grimace, we can now all come up front to have a picture habang nandito pa po sila. Walang uuwi na wala daw pong cake. naman magpapapicture with Grimace, habang paalis na po siya, no? I suggest you come up front to have a picture. Yeah. Okay, so mukhang wala na po magpapapicture with Grimace. With that po, pwede na po siyang magpaalam sa inyo, everyone. Let's all say goodbye to Grimace.
That's yours.
Sa mga boto, ma'am, pwede ka may additional pa.
Kita! Iyo! Picture si Mami sa mga
Okay, so everyone, bale, tapos naman na po. I won't keep you long as a host. Closing remarks na lang si